So it's just a small correction. The number is like 15,000, not 12,000. So that's actually a big growth in last 2 years, despite of the pandemic. And I have to say the market is changing very quickly as younger generations of consumers start building their own home in modern cities, actually. So they look for better balance between work and life, let's say various balance between efficiency and coziness, and can enjoy much broader scope of designs and aesthetics. But beyond diversity, it's very clear that they are living with growing challenges concerning resource availability, environmental sustainability, and social justice. The portion of the industry being certified is something like 20% or 30%, like that. So it is actually a significant number. But consider the material they're using, because when we talk about certified products, it has to be based on certified material. So talk about the inputs of the raw material. I think the percentage is much smaller than that. For example, in China, more timber from plantations are used, and to some degree, they replace controversial materials from tropical forest. A very significant supplies, for example, from Lower Mekong region to China is Thailand, and the species of concern is rubberwood. So not rosewood. So this is changing fast. And at the same time, the popularity of composite products is growing, and such service as what we call whole house customization is trendy. So this is very different from the past, let's say, 10 years. But however, I think such one-side effort of the market, for example, of efficiency, cannot fix all problems, as I just mentioned. And this is where FSC can help, and we want to see consumers consciously support producers in the efforts to manage forest and forest environment. Yeah. We have this program because FSC has such a good reputation of being rigorous and globally consistent. But some people may interpret that as a aversion to smallholders because it can be very demanding, and some of the procedure requirements are really complex. FSC means to test a regional standard specifically designed for smallholders in Lower Mekong region. And we want to really simplify some of the procedure requirements for them, and really to work together with the smallholder to define a way that that is responding to their needs and situation. We hope to test that firstly with Vietnam, and also from next year in Thailand. So hopefully that will make smallholder certification more easier and more available.